Hey guys, it's Manifest Max. I turned the lights out. I turned the lights out on purpose just to shoot this video. And I wanted to, actually, I didn't come out here to shoot a video. This is actually something that I was sitting here thinking about. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to grab my phone and I'm going to talk about it because normally this is my quiet time. Right now I'm sitting outside and I'm listening to the crickets and just what I do every single day, every single night is I come outside. If the weather permits, I come outside and I recharge my batteries. Now, that recharging is actually an interesting concept because, think about it like a battery, right? I don't care if your battery is producing good things. You have a battery and it's working for you, and you're listening to music with your batteries. You're talking on your phone with your batteries, but unless you have a moment to recharge, then at some point in time you're going to burn out. You're not going to have even when you're focusing on positive stuff. You have to recharge. You have to come to a place where you're quiet and that you're still. And, one of the things that I do when I'm outside is I'm just in the present moment. I don't, this is the one time for about 20 to 25 minutes where I don't try to think. I just try to quiet my mind. Sometimes I'll focus on breathing. I use this app called Calm, which if you don't have the app, you should get it. I like it because it actually has a breathing exercise on it that's actually very simple, but it's effective. And it allows you to hone in on your breathing and have a pattern of breathing. A lot of times I listen to meditations even, and people, they're like, hey, concentrate on your breathing, breathe in, breathe out. And that may sound crazy, but sometimes I have a hard time even like staying with them on that whole breathing. It's like a chore to me to breathe like that. So, but for whatever reason, this Calm app has a just an awesome way of allowing me to get into that pattern of breathing. And so I highly recommend that you have these moments. And another thing that I do sometimes, and I've done some studies on this and the idea of actually grounding yourself, but your body is made up of signals and energy and vibrations, and you have these all these connectors running through your body. I mean, you're a machine. And sometimes what I do is just at nighttime, if the weather permits and it's not 25 degrees outside, even then I sometimes do it, but I'll take my shoes off and I'll just walk around my yard. Neighbors are probably like, what's going on with this guy? But it really does allow me to just kind of ground that energy, that negative energy. And I'll tell you, I mean, like I said, it's just even the positive energy. Sometimes you just have to reset and you have to recharge. So do yourself a favor, take about 20 to 25 minutes every single night and just be quiet. Find a relaxing space. If you can't go outside, maybe put on some sounds on YouTube or something with, the chirping crickets or something, and just try to be quiet and be still. But if you do have the opportunity to go outside, do it. It's awesome. But another thing I'm going to talk about here is, I'm talking about practices that I do that, some of them are very systematic, and some of them are just, they're patterns that I've created to allow me, when I'm actually trying to purposely manifest, I'm just in a better place. My mind is more focused, I'm more calm, I'm more direct. But I'm going to be talking about something in the next couple of videos that one specific thing that I have done over the last few years that has drastically helped me. It's kind of in the same idea of what I'm doing right now, but not really. And it's with purpose. So I'm absolutely in that moment working to manifest the things that I want into my life. And it's something very specific. And again, I'm going to talk to you about this in the next couple of videos. So thank you so much for checking into the dark screen. I'm sure you can see just a small silhouette of, or a dark silhouette of my face, but I just felt like I needed to shoot this video tonight and to have some of this conversation with you. So thank you guys so much. Please subscribe to the channel. This is all about helping you to find the best ways for you to manifest things into your life. And again, I'm going to be explaining in detail about how to do those things quickly. That's my main focus here is, like, a lot of times people get into these law of attraction ideas and mindsets, but there's always that question mark, when's it going to happen? Well, I'm going to talk to a lot of that stuff, and depending upon what videos you've watched and whether you're watching this sometime in the future, that definitely check out my channel and look at those videos, because I'm going to be talking about these subjects, about how to get the law of attraction working in your life quickly. And there are certain things that you need to do, there are certain practices that you need to do that will amplify your results. And I'm going to be talking directly to those things. So sorry to ramble on, just wanted to share that with you. Please share my channel, get it out there to folks, like my videos, and I really would appreciate it. So we'll talk to you real soon, and I hope you have a great day or a great night, whatever time you're watching this. But for me, have a great night. Talk to you soon.